Alright, here we go. There's the hula girl that usually shakes with the bumps, but I've got the SummoSprings on there now, so she ain't dancing. So, I just wanted to, if you saw my previous video where I installed SummoSprings, I'm just, had to go to pick up some food because I'm hungry. And I'm back in the neighborhood now. I just want to kind of show you how it smooths out the bump. This one's got 445 something, 444 something miles on it. It's a 2003 E250. See, there's those safety stops. I'm gonna run over here and hit a bump. See that bump? You see, I feel the bump, but you don't see it. It ain't shaking around, jumping all over the place. This increases your stability, smooths the ride out, because the SummoSprings are constant on the I-beam or whatever beam, whatever type of suspension you got. You say you're going to get some coil springs on the front. Now I just did the front, but I'm definitely going to get the ones for the rear. They're about $270 for the rear, so I'm gonna wait a little bit, but it's definitely worth the money I spent. $178 I think they are on Amazon, and it definitely, here's a good bump coming up right here. Let's see, I'll show you that. See there where it's, oh, see, you don't see anything at all hardly. Let's go around one more of these safety stops. But it's definitely worth the investment. I don't know, it's investment, it's just money you spend. See there, that's that big bump. I used to go over them, creep over them real slow, because everything would bounce and you get return and all that, because you're just sitting on your springs and shocks. So it has to go all the way to the old bump stop. But this is a great improvement. It's Big Tom's van. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and watch some Eddie Van Halen video.